Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arsit. Friends, another Chester design, and this time a full set I'm showing you with the center table and the side tables as well. This is a seven-seater 3-2-2 in teak wood, antique gold paint, off-white, micro suede fabric, and this one is going to Dehradun, the capital of Uttarakhand. The same concept, same design, and in the past 1.5 months, this has been the most liked model of ours. And I've got a lot of orders for the same design in different combinations. I've shown you this one in black with four seaters. I've shown you this one in bottle green a few days back, and this one is in off white. And the concept, the design remains the same. Three-seater is out and out 7 feet, front to back 3 feet, and the back height is 30 inches. The back and handles at the same height, so very comfortable to sit on. When you sit, and here you can see it's very relaxing when you can stretch both your hands this way and this way. It gets very relaxing. So very good for the TV units and the resting area. Nice set. Now the table part that I'm showing you for the first time in this set here. This is a two-way table. It can be used as a side table for sitting also. And if you put a glass on top of it, it becomes a center table. And similarly, we have two side tables. The side table is 21 inches round and the height is 20. So if you keep a glass on it, it's a side table. If you want to sit on it, it's very relaxing as well. The top cushion on it can serve a purpose of seating also. And once you place glass, it becomes a center table. We have been changing colors as per the client's requirement. Every client is asking for a different color of fabrics. But the concept, the design remains the same. Antique wood, antique gold paint again. And the work. Chester is a very common thing, Chesterfield designs. You see it in almost all the showrooms everywhere. But most of them are fully covered. So complete cushioning part. When Arsan is making something, we have to use the carving and we have to use the wood also that is visible. So this is the design that we have made with the wood carving, that is the trademark of Arsan, and the teak wood with antique gold finishing. So altogether, we have not compromised the royal work that we do on the sets, and still we have maintained the Chester thing that you see here. Instead of fully covering the unit that looks very modern and contemporary, you still get the classical look and the Chester design as well. It has got folding cushions, so the cushions can be removed like this. But if you want a full cushion also, a fixed cushion, that can also be provided. So instead of the folding one, you can get a single cushion fixed in it. The two-seater has a single cushion, and this is again removable. With the Chester design, these kind of sets, it serves the dual purpose. They are comfortable, they are luxurious looking, as well as they have the classical design of the work, the kind of work we do. The work is in front of you. Hope you like this, and I request for a few comment of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Many thanks.